Hi guys, hope you're doing great. So today I'm going to show you how to reset a laptop to factory settings. So the machine I have over here is a Lenovo W520 which I got way back in 2012. Okay, so the reason why I want to reset this machine is because recently it's just insanely slow. I keep getting a lot of pop-ups every now and then, and the fan keeps running periodically. And what I've tried doing is I've tried removing a bunch of programs, but no use. So the best option, just go ahead and reset it. So this is what I'm going to do. It's very simple. What you have to do is just go to Start, then hit Settings, and in Settings you have this Update and Security over here. Click on that, and then go into Recovery, and then you see this option, reset this PC. Just hit on get started, and there are two options. It says keep my files and remove everything. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click on remove everything because I have a backup of all of my files. I don't need anything. And before I do this, the other thing that I need to keep in mind is I need to plug in my computer to the charger. Okay, because I don't want the battery to get drained out in the middle of the process. Okay, so two things you have to remember: back up all the files and connect your laptop to the charger. Okay, so here goes. Remove everything. Okay, hit next. Okay, it's 9 p.m. right now, so let this process keep continuing, and I'll check in a bit. Okay, so right now you have this prompt that says ready to reset this PC. It'll remove all the personal files, etc. etc. Okay, so I'm just going to hit reset over here. Okay, so there you see preparing to reset this PC, 1%. So let this keep going, and I'll check in a bit again. So we are at 20% right now, and going strong. Check back in a few. So now we are at 50%. After the reset, just restarted the laptop. So after going to 100%, it restarted the PC, and then it's saying resetting this PC 1%. Okay, so keep waiting. So right now we are at 36% and still going strong. So right now we are at 98%. All right, reset is done, and now it's restarting the laptop. Okay, so now it's installing Windows. All right, so the Windows update is done. Now I'm just going to set up the machine. So select United States, US, skip. Yeah, let's just accept this. I can change the settings later. Okay, looks like it's restarting. Let me go to the desktop. Alright, so looks like we've reset the laptop. So it took nearly an hour and a half to reset this PC, and that includes the time taken to erase the hard drive and to reinstall the Windows operating system. If you liked watching this video, please click the like button and subscribe to this channel. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. Take care. Bye.